Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching any of my videos in the last, month or two, you know that I'm on a wellness journey. Basically, I got really busy with my business and forgot to take care of my health. It was the first time this has ever happened in my life. Over the last 4 years, slowly my weight has crept up a bit. And so I am on a journey right now to bring that weight back down to the normal place that it's always been. And I just got a package in the mail from Lumen. This is gonna be an unboxing video. I actually don't know hardly anything about Lumen. I do know that it helps with your metabolism, and I know at the age of 46, I have struggled with what used to work is just not working as well. So in my previous 46 years, I guess in my first 35 years, I was a triathlete. I was a hardcore athlete. I walked all the time up until I was about 40. I walked every day for about 60 minutes, along with I did biking, swimming, and some other things. And I just haven't ever really had the desire to eat a ton. So the combination of all that really kept me in that ideal weight range. I felt great and healthy, but in 2020, okay, it's not your normal 2020 story. I actually started a new business and I had an existing business already. And from that, we've actually started multiple businesses since, but it's just been a lot. It's been a lot to have multiple businesses. I feel like I've been working way more than I normally had before, and I have not been prioritizing my health. So it is time. I just had my 46th birthday and I decided this year from 46 to 47, I was going to reclaim my body. And so Lumen hopefully will help me with this. So let's jump in and unbox this Lumen. Okay, so let's open this up. I had to pause the video for just a minute to get all the tape undone on this Lumen device. So here we go. Let's open it up. So we've got, comes kind of like this with, I think this is the receipt. Beautiful packaging. I love it. Okay, let's pull this out and see what this is like. Now, because of my following on YouTube, Lumen actually sent this to me. And so I don't know if that means that this is sponsored or if I just get to try it out and see how it is. But if you find that you want a code to buy a Lumen with a discount, I actually will include that in the description below so that you can get one of these if that's something that you're interested in. So, ooh, it's kind of pretty. It's super pretty and sleek. It's got a black cover. Okay, so let's open it and see what's inside. Ooh, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this looks like a vape thing. But if it does great things, obviously it's not going to do what vaping does. Good news on that. But here it is. It feels, it's got some good weight to it. It feels like high quality. And that is a magnetic lid right there. So that's actually super cool. Let's see about turning it on. So my guess is we're going to hold that down just like that. And see, it actually might need to be charged. All right, that's beautiful. So let's open that up. It looks like it probably needs to be charged before I can turn it on. And let's see what else is in here. Okay, we got our getting started manual. Perfect. And then, oh, this is really fun. This is a carrying case so that you can take it with you if you're out and about and you're eating. The Lumen device is something that you breathe into and it tells you if you're burning carbs versus burning fat. And so, yeah, that's super cool. So we got that. And then the charging base, I think that's what that is, with the cord. Okay, so let's get this charged and get it started. I'm going to download the app and then I'll walk you through kind of what it takes to actually start using this device. So before we get started, we have to go into the App Store, download the Lumen app, and then create an account in there, and then prioritize what our top things are that we're hoping to use the Lumen device for. So I went ahead and did that, set up my account, and now we're at a part where it's asking me to connect with my Lumen device. So we're gonna turn this on. It's charged, and you can see right here. And it also says, I am connected. Good. Okay, so let's give this a try now that we know how to do this. and we're gonna sit down comfortably. We're gonna check that our device is on. Okay, we're gonna remove the lid. Here we go. Make sure I'm doing this right.
Inhale deeply through your lumen. Hold your breath. Exhale in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, now it's analyzing. Okay, I'm right in the middle. I have no idea what that means. Well, it just told me you're burning fat and carbs. So 55% fat, 45% carbs. So I just did my first Lumen breath. I actually feel like it was kind of like a breathing exercise. I have a breathing contraption that I probably should show on YouTube and do a video about. That was amazing what that breathing contraption did for my health and wellness. So I will do a video about that next, but this was super cool and I'm so excited that I got to try this out. I'm excited to see what the results are, and I will do a before and after. After I'm done with this, I'm gonna actually do my measurements, and then I'll do a 30-day of using the Lumen device and what it did for me. If you found value in this unboxing, hopefully this helps you learn how to use the Lumen device and see what it is exactly. I didn't really talk much about what it does because I actually don't know a ton about it, except that it helps with our metabolism. So if you found value in that and you want to keep watching about more Lumen videos and health and wellness, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. We will see you in the next video. Bye.